Hi everyone, welcome to today's Current Affairs Daily Notes. Today's topic is Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act or POCSO. I'm Ritvisha from GKToday and let us begin. The Supreme Court has directed the Centre to set up special courts in each district across the country that have over 100 cases of child abuse and sexual assault pending trial under the POCSO Act. So today we are going to discuss the following. Why do we need special courts? What are the guidelines proposed by the Supreme Court? Why are these steps being taken now? What are the changes proposed? And some possible questions. So to start with, why do we need special courts? Present slow pace of action on protection of children from sexual predators is a problem. As per available data, number of victims compensated under this act were 3% in 2015, 4% in 2016 and 5% in 2017. Around 1.5 lakh cases are pending in trial before 670 designated courts. Though the Act mandates trial to be completed in 1 year, the deadline is impossible to achieve as each designated trial judge is saddled with a few hundred cases in addition to the trial of other cases. So what are the guidelines proposed by the Supreme Court for these fast-track courts? Such courts will be funded by the central government. The fund will not only take care of appointment of presiding officers, but also appointments of support persons, special public prosecutors, court staff and infrastructure, including creation of child-friendly environment and vulnerable witness courtrooms. There also is a need for spread of awareness. The Women and Child Development Ministry shall facilitate screening of short clips intended to spread awareness of the subject in general, namely prevention of child abuse and prosecution of crimes against children, in every movie hall and could also be transmitted by various television channels at regular intervals. And there is an urgent need for a child helpline number which should also be displayed in such clips and at schools and other public places. So why are these steps suddenly being taken? So this was long overdue and it came to national notice recently that we are lagging behind severely. Kerala has the worst judge-case ratio at the moment as it has set up just 3 designated courts for 14 districts with each required to deal with 2,211 cases. There's also Chhattisgarh and Punjab that have the lowest average of 51 cases per designated court. Union Cabinet has approved the amendments in Protection of Children for Sexual Offences Act 2012, so we should see these changes rolling out soon. What are the changes proposed? So the changes will make punishment more stringent for committing sexual crimes against children, including death penalty. The amendments also provide for levy of fines and imprisonment to curb child pornography, and amendments are also proposed to protect children from sexual offences in times of natural calamities and in other situations where children are administered in any way any hormone or any chemical substance to attain early sexual maturity for the purpose of penetrative sexual assault. Now let us move on to possible questions that may be asked. What is the POCSO Act for? It's for sexual offences on children. So the correct answer is option C. According to this act, what is the maximum time mandated to resolve a case? Correct answer is a year or 12 months. So option B. That's all for this video. If you want to read more about Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, simply follow our link in the description below. And if you like our efforts, please do like, share and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye and good luck.